Hello.
Good evening, ma'am. Hello, can you hear? Oh,
I am my my
I
friend
I
is
am. Oh,
I
oh,
am
you're
here.
going to the bathroom? Oh, hi
No,
there,
it's my
ma'am. Xin chào. Okay, where are
okay.
you? Where
I
are
am
you?
my
Grandpa.
grandpa. I am grandma and grandpa. Look me.
Wow. Okay, yes, because it's a
Lots
holiday.
of cakes. I have lots of cakes. I have
Wow.
lots of cakes.
Wow.
Look,
Look,
I have
where?
lots of.
Show me where are the cakes. Whoa, there's a lot of cakes. Yes.
Grandpa make it. Grandpa.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow! Grandpa is a baker? Oh,
This is so
wow.
good.
I
Grandpa
like
so.
those. Yes. Oh, so, grandpa bakes cakes? Yeah?
Yeah. This is
Wow.
one.
Oh.
It's there.
Wow, there's a butterfly. I saw
And
a butterfly.
chocolate.
Yes.
Chocolate.
Chocolates too.
That's good. That's good. That's
Mm,
good now. The
yes.
good.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Thank you for sharing that, Pehe. Okay, where are
Okay.
you going now?
I go to my grandma and grandpa. I have lots of toys.
Oh, are
I have
those your
toys.
toys? Mm.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
I have some iPads
You.
for grandma,
Oh, yeah, that is for grandma. Okay. Oh, don't
but
touch. It's.
it's broken, but
Oh.
it's don't have a Wi-Fi.
It's okay. Yeah, grandma will take care of that. But today we have something to talk about. We're going to learn another lesson, okay?
I say when you buy a iPhone, no? And now
iPhone? Oh no. I'm
I I don't have iPad.
yeah. Oh.
I
I
I say with you iPad, but I go to the I buy
I will
I say
buy.
with you I will but
But
you say with you buy iPhone. This is
ah,
iPhone for mommy.
for mommy. Okay.
Pink.
It's pink. Yeah. Mine is yeah, it's green. Yes.
But I
But
see a blue one.
here. Okay. Yes, that's fine. That's fine. But today, yeah, I'm ready for the lesson. I hope you're ready too, okay? Yeah, so what are we going to talk about? Hehe, we're going to talk about summer drinks. Wow, because summer is almost near in your country. Are you excited for the summer vacation?
Oh,
Mm,
but I leave.
but yeah.
Mommy, go out. Go out. Shut the door.
Mommy, please,
Shut the door.
please,
The door.
say please.
It's, Mommy, close it now. Summer
Okay.
tea. Summer
Yes, sir. Summer drinks. Okay, and
What things?
there, that's right. Oh, like grandpa, look. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake just as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it
I
with
said,
the.
she said,
Mm,
I, mm,
you will.
summer, I make a cake.
Mm, you will make a
No,
cake with.
no, 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 he is buy my cake.
Nobody buys your cake.
No, he buy my cake.
He bought. If it's past tense, he bought.
No, he buy
He
my
will buy. He will buy.
my cake.
Ah,
I do. I do. I do.
okay. All right. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Now look at this one. What is this word? Can you read that for me?
And
Hair.
Do you
Mhm.
want to try a pear
Drink. Yeah.
drink?
Do you
Pear
want?
drink?
Yeah.
Do
Do you
you
want?
to try a pear drinks?
Very
Yes,
good.
I
Yeah. So
limes.
yes.
Limes. Do you
Nice. Wait.
want
Wait.
to nugget?
Uh,
Nugget.
Naga. Yeah. That is. Let's check. Okay.
Tutugege.
Hmm.
Bindi.
Wait. I
Bindi.
want. What about you? Do you like pear drinks? Let's look for
Mm,
it. Okay.
no.
You don't like pear drinks like this?
Yes.
No? Okay. What about here? Lime.
Lime. Do you want to try a lime drinks?
Okay, lime. So, what about we look for lime drinks? Okay. And look.
Lime.
Yes. Oh, I like it. What about you? Do you like lime drinks as well?
Yes.
See, it's
But
the
but but I want to eat lime drink by ice.
Yes, we need to add ice so that it will be refreshing. Okay. So
Yeah.
lime drinks. Okay. Oh,
Running to what? Hey teacher, why the
mm,
water but is blue?
why is the
But now so why is is water pear limes but ice but is if
co- it's color
from
green?
no blue but spring is correct but limes but I
No.
see red and in blue.
No, this one, this is another drink. This is, I think, a cherry drink, but they just added a lime, okay, on this glass.
Here
But
I did I run so fast but now I run so slow now.
you run so slow? Why?
I run
Mm.
so fast now I now I go now I run so slow now.
So that means you have to maybe eat vegetables. You don't like
No,
vegetable.
I eat it's a vegetable, but
Mm.
run so slowly.
You need to exercise. Maybe that's what you
I,
need. You have
I do that already.
you
Do
did
that.
exercise.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe work out more so you can run faster. That's all you need. And always eat healthy fruits, vegetables, healthy food so that you can get back to track and run faster, okay? Next, what about here? Oh no, pineapple.
Do you
Okay.
want to buy apple drinks?
Okay. Now we finish peach, lime. Now let's check how we can find the pineapple drinks. Oh, it's wow. Do you like pineapple? This looks yummy. What do you think? Pineapple? Do you like pineapples?
No.
Do you know that my nephew drinks lots of juice, healthy fruit juice, and she can really run fast. So maybe you have to try fruit juices as well, okay? And I cannot see you. You're on mute. Mm. Oh no. Where'd you go? Yeah, why did you leave me? Okay, don't turn it off and don't leave, okay?
Clicking, I don't click.
Oh, you didn't click? Okay, but let's go back. So here, this is the pineapple drink. Do you like pineapple drinks? Hehe.
No.
So you don't like peach drink, you don't like lime, you don't like pineapple drinks. Oh, that is so sad. How can you run fast if you don't like healthy drinks? How
I'm wonder man.
how can you run fast? You have to drink healthy.
Exercise.
Yes, you have to exercise, drink healthy fruit
Oh,
juices, eat vegetables, so you can run fast, okay? Whoosh. All right, let's try to read what the story is all about for today's lesson. Now, look at this one. Oh no! I want to see if you know these fruits. Can you tell Teacher Merle?
I don't
Hmm?
like it. I
Huh?
don't. But it's small. But I don't like. But
What?
I but I try to write.
Okay, all right. You can just try it, okay? So you can just tell Teacher Merle, what is number one? What fruit is this again? Is it apple? No. Is it orange? No. What is this fruit? Mm-hmm. It's, I'll give you a guide. This one. Look,
What?
that is pear. Yeah, pear. Can you spell pear,
I
pear,
don't write it.
pear?
I don't write it. I say pear. Pear.
Okay.
P
Pear.
P P.
P. Okay.
It's
P.
right.
Please write it, teacher.
Remember. P
P.
EAR.
Good. What about the
I
next
know.
one?
I know it.
What
I
about
know.
here? What about this one?
I don't see. I don't see everything.
What is this? How do you spell this? Oh no. What is this? L,
Limes.
lime. How do you
La.
spell lime? L,
Leave. La.
la,
La. La.
L, L,
L
I,
E M
I,
I M E.
lime, Lime. Okay, what about, oh no, this is a long word. What is this fruit?
I know it. I
Can you,
know.
spell?
P P A E
I.
I N E
Mm-hmm.
A
Very good.
L L P E
P, pineapple. A,
P
P,
P A
P.
P P L E.
Good. Pineapple, pear,
Bye.
lime, and pineapple. Okay. Oh, you wanna dance? Oh, maybe if you do good, we can dance later. Okay. All right. Let's dance later. Oh, where are you now? Okay. So let me ask you. Hey, um, hehe, what fruit juice do you like to drink for
Orange
summer? Orange. How do I like to drink?
juice. Orange juice.
I
I
like.
want I and I want it a,
Mm, al-
a
let's make a list, okay? So,
uh
what do you like?
broccoli.
Broccoli, fruits, not vegetables, okay? Let's see here. Now, what do you like here? So, let's say,
Dragon food.
hmm?
Dragon food.
Oh, you like dragon fruit? Oh, that is a good choice. What else? What other fruit juice do you like? Dragon
One.
fruits?
Done. Done.
No bananas, watermelon, blueberries, lemons, lime, guava,
I
star. No?
I I know it watermelon, but I don't want to eat. But I had a a small piece of a flex, but I don't eat that.
That's why
Eat
you
that.
cannot run fast. You know why? You don't like everything. You don't like vegetables. You don't like fruits. That's why you cannot run fast.
Eat
Mm.
dragon fruit.
No, the dragon fruit cannot help you if you
Yeah.
don't combine it with other fruits. So how, do you like to run fast? You have to eat healthy food, fruits, vegetables.
Mapita to.
Yeah.
Mapita to.
Yes, because
Teacher, right? Teacher, right? Type sweet tomato. Sweet tomato and tomato. You
Okay.
write it. You
Wait.
have two letters. Sweet tomatoes.
Yes. Okay, wait.
Tomatoes.
You told teacher Merle you used to run fast. You're not, or
I
right
want
now,
it.
you cannot run very
Can,
fast now.
I can eat broccoli. I can eat that.
Oh, broccoli. Just broccoli? What about the other vegetables?
And I done. As I want to one food and one vegetable.
That will make you not strong enough. Yeah. Some of my students,
I eat already.
yeah. But what teacher Merle is telling
Look,
you
teacher,
is
look,
for you
teacher,
to, mm,
teacher, look, I jump.
later you can jump. Wow, okay. All right, listen, listen now. I want you to listen. Lend me your ears. You know what? My other students, I see them eat vegetables during class. A while back, my other student ate shrimps. She was eating broccolis, eggplants. The other student showed me, teacher, I love mangoes and bananas and what they are eating healthy food. So I want you to also eat healthy food and fruits, vegetables, okay? Because I want you to run faster so that you will be strong and healthy. Now you're not listening. Mm. So what should you do so you can run fast? Can you tell me? Yeah? What should you do?
But I run a little bit faster.
No, my concern is for you to be healthy and strong. I want you to run fast. That's what you told me. So what should you do then? Eat healthy food, okay? Mm, yes, all right, there. So going back here, all right, this one. What about this? Can you read this one for me? What could be
Do
the right
you
sentence?
do want do you want to try pair, pair drinks for
Do
mommy?
you
Do you want
want to
try
try
I
a paired
apple?
drink? Yeah. Do you want to try a paired drink? Okay. What about this
Teacher,
one? You try to answer this one. We don't have enough time. We'll read a story. Come on.
okay. Do you want to try lime drink? Do you want to try pineapple drink?
Do you
finish.
want to try a pineapple drink? Do you want to try a lime drink? Okay, now here's the story. Wow. Sit down.
Wow, it is very hot outside.
I am
I'm thirsty. I am
I
making summer drink with fruit. Please come try one.
very
Well,
good.
well,
Wow. What
what kind
kind
of fruit do you have?
have
I have pineapple, pears, and
and
limes.
limes?
They are good fruit to you for my summer
Summer
drink.
drinks. Okay, so what can you see on the table of Timmy and Jimmy? What do they have on their table?
It have pear, lime, and pineapple, and pear drink.
Very good. That's a complete sentence. And what did Jimmy ask? Do you want
You want to do try an apple,
a
pineapple,
pineapple?
and lime drinks? Yes, I do. Here you are. Wow, this is great. Is it very sweet? I like this drink.
Good. Okay. And Jimmy said, do you want?
Do you want
Mm-hmm.
a pineapple and pear drinks? Yes, I do. Here we get. Here we eat. Here
Here
we
you
are.
are.
Mm,
This
this is not delicious.
I
I
don't
don't
like this
like the
drink.
drink.
Mm, yes, I don't like this drink. Okay, there.
Games.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Can you match this up? Oh, that's very
No,
easy.
no, I
Yeah.
don't mind it, but it's small. But I try it.
Okay, I know you can. So that is the pineapple. And then where's the pear? And where's the lime? There. Wow. Cool. That is correct. What about here? This will be very easy too. Can you try it?
But I don't
Um.
think to write it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Uh, and
It's
um,
not delicious. This
lime
lime
is
is
not
not delicious.
delicious. Okay, that is
But
correct.
why but don't have a letter lime?
Ah, why there's no lime?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have to guess. The one here is you have to see what's on the table. But if you're going to answer it,
Teacher,
yeah,
look at me.
lime,
Teacher.
okay, is, wait, is not, again, what's the word here? Delicious. Yeah, you got it?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So that is what you should remember. All right. Okay. Next one. What do we have here? This one. Okay.
In
Can you
banana.
answer? Wow, what kind of fruits do you have?
I have pineapple, pears, and lime. They are good fruit to, use for my summer drinks.
Mm,
See,
see? I have pineapple. Yes, that is the right answer. Cool. Wow, what kind of fruits do you have? How will you answer? Let's say,
so really good. I
yeah,
have, I
I
have
have
pineapple, pears, and lime too.
pineapple.
Too.
Pineapples, pears, and limes too. So, if you are going to make fruit juice for mom and dad, grandpa and grandma, what juice will you prepare for them? What juice?
And I choose orange juice
Mm-hmm.
and
Dragon fruit
and
and
watermelon
water.
juice.
Ah, okay. Do they like that? Watermelon and orange juice, they like it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So how
I
you
and strawberry.
yes. What about grandpa? What fruits does he put on top of his cakes? Mm,
Strawberry.
strawberries. See, even grandpa likes fruits because that will mm, be nice
Good.
also to put on his cake. And people will love and buy his cakes, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. All right. So, is your house far from grandparents' house?
Yes.
Oh, like how many hours did you travel, Hehe?
Uh, 50, 56 hours.
56 hours? That's more than 2 days. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
that's
no,
so.
no, 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 no. It
It is
32 hours.
32
No, no,
hours?
no, 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 no. 4 hours.
Ah, oh, that's just near, right?
No,
It's
it's
near.
far. No,
My
it's
student traveled 18 hours. Yeah. They're from Ho Chi Minh. They traveled to like central Vietnam. It took them almost a day. 4 hours is just near. Oh, I have another student waiting. Okay, so you should eat more vegetables so that next time when you tell teacher Mo another news, teacher, I can run faster now. I want to hear that, okay?
okay.
I love you. Bye bye for now.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye, boy. Be a
Bye,
good.
boo.
Be a good
Boo. Bye.
boy. Don't be naughty, okay?
Yeah.
Say hello to grandpa, grandma, mom, and dad. Bye bye.
Bye bye.